There are tons of fun outdoor events happening this time of the year.
Yes, and one of the more unique ones is coming up October 27th in Simsbury.
It is the Richmond Spooktacular Chili Challenge, and joining us to brew up some great chili is Chef Joseph Rose of the Riverview,
and with him Lisa Gray of the Chamber of Commerce. Welcome.
Thank you very much.
It smells so good.
Thank you. Joe, if we eat your chili, will we grow as tall as you?
Probably not. Probably not.
Coming in at just under 6'8", right? Okay.
Wow.
Yep.
It smells amazing here. So this is your secret recipe, but you're going to show us, you know, there might be one little thing you keep secret, but
Maybe
you're going to actually enter this in the Spooktacular?
Yes, this will be the one that we do on this at the 27th on the Spooktacular.
Oh my gosh.
All right, it smells so good. I mean, this is such a great meal this time of the year, anytime, but I feel fall is like chili weather, right?
Yeah.
Nice and hearty.
Absolutely.
So why don't you get a little started, but at least I want to ask you, this is a really fun family event. It's one of the biggest events in Simsbury. Thousands of people come out.
Yes, it is.
And you can wear your costumes if you're one of the little ones.
Yes, you can.
Or adults.
Or adults, yes. We've got a costume contest for everyone. This is our 4th annual event. We are fortunate to have had David Richmond from Richmond Business Brokerage and Insurance step up as our naming sponsor this year. So what was known and familiar to everyone as the Simsbury Spooktacular Chili Challenge is now the Richmond Spooktacular Chili Challenge. Everything else remains the same. All the fun that people have had the past 3 years. They're going to have even more this year. And we so far have 17 amateur cooks competing. We have 12 professional chefs from places like the Riverview, as well as restaurants in the area that are competing. We've got a youth competition.
Oh, that's
We've got
great.
something for the whole family, yes.
All right. So, Joe, I want to steal secrets from you. So how do we start?
Okay, so what I usually do is I just have regular ground beef. This is just 80-20. 20% fat, 80% beef. I render it down to get the fat, and then that's when I usually start bringing all the other stuff in and cook it in the beef fat so that it kind of carries through. Don't drain it.
Right, that's what I was going to ask.
Yeah,
No
I don't drain it because you really want it to carry through, and you don't want it to dry out. The fat there is where you're really going to end up. That's where a lot of your flavor is going to come through.
And some fat is good for us, Karen.
Some fat is good. Some fat is good. So we start off with some onions. Jalapenos, garlic, exact amounts as you can see, red peppers.
Yep.
Okay, and then we're just going to cook those down.
Okay. Well, that's cooking now. I just want to show the folks at home some of the pictures from last year to give you an idea how fun this is. And Lisa, you can kind of talk us through. But so everyone gets to go around and eat the chili. That's fun.
Yes, all of our attendees get, when they arrive, they get a tasting kit that includes a little cup and spoon and napkin, and you can go around to all of our 30 or more competitors and taste as much chili as you'd like. It's just $10 to get in for all the chili that you'd like, and kids 10 and under are free. We've got live music for people to enjoy. We've got trick-or-treating for the kids, which is probably, aside from the chili, the highlight of the event.
It's always nice when the kids can wear their costume again, because you know, one night it's gone, so this is another thing that you can kind of do a dress rehearsal on the costume to make sure it works.
Exactly.
There's one of our youth competitors last year. That was our winner, actually, from Simsbury.
Aww.
And he's competing again this year.
I love how the kids are involved too. That's really great that you've extended it to include everyone.
Yes, you bet.
So what's happened now? We've gotten the vegetables and then we're just kind of cooking them?
Cooking them down. We're going to add a little bit of the seasoning.
What's that?
I use paprika, salt, pepper, cumin, chili powder. And actually, I left the secret ingredient in the fridge back here.
Does that mean we don't know what it is?
One of the things that I always do whenever I make chili is that I use beer. Especially a dark beer, because I feel like it helps carry the flavor, especially some of the spices. I feel just come out, it's just better with beer.
It's so fragrant. I wish people could smell this at home. I mean, the studio smells amazing.
I know, it smells so good. So is this a medium spicy, not too spicy?
Not too spicy.
Not too spicy. That's my kind of chili. I don't like it too spicy.
It'll actually be a little bit more smoky, because that's one of the secret ingredients, is something that's smoked. Just personally what I like the...
Like a liquid smoke?
No. Like it's just, I use smoked paprika. That's my secret ingredient, if you will.
We just let her, don't tell.
If you will.
The tomatoes are always a big deal too, and I know we have only final minute or so, but what's the secret to a good chili as far as what kind of tomato should we be using?
These tomatoes are actually a fire roasted tomato.
Okay.
I found these kind of help echo some of that smokiness that they have. And really, you add a little bit, the juices too, and then we just kind of reduce it down, and we're pretty much ready to go. You just kind of season it to taste.
And I have all the toppings.
I have some ready, to go right now for you guys to try.
Oh, okay.
if you'd
All
like.
right.
We can do it quickly
Yep.
because then we have to tell everybody how to go to the wonderful Spooktacular.
People can learn more about the event and purchase tickets on our event website, which is really easy. It's simsburychili.com.
And there it
as I
is, right
said,
on the screen,
yep.
simsburychili.com. This is so good. I do
put
taste
cheese on there.
the smoky flavor.
I love smoky too.
Oh yeah, and this would be great with cheese and sour cream. Awesome.
And a little bread, is that bad?
Yeah, why not?
Cornbread.
Nothing wrong with
Cornbread. You gotta have
nothing wrong with
cornbread
bread.
Yeah.
All right, thank you to both of you. This is
Thank you.
delicious.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.